In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use live chat Salesforce support. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Salesforce Help portal. Once the page loads, click Login and sign in with your Salesforce account credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account associated with your organization's support access, because chat availability can depend on your account type and support plan. After you're logged in, head to the support area. This is where Salesforce organizes help resources, documentation, and contact options. Before starting a live chat, take a moment to search the knowledge base. This is a helpful first step because many common questions, setup issues, and known problems are already documented there. If you find an article that matches your issue, you may be able to resolve it right away without waiting for an agent. If the knowledge base doesn't solve the problem, look for an option such as Contact Support or Get Support. From there, if live chat is available for your account, select Chat with Support. Keep in mind that this option may only appear during certain support hours or for specific plans, so if you don't see it immediately, that may be the reason. Next, choose the product related to your issue, such as Sales Cloud or Service Cloud. Selecting the right product helps route your request to the most appropriate support team. You'll then be asked to enter some information, including a subject or short summary of the issue, a description of the problem, and your contact details. Try to keep the summary brief but specific, and in the description, include enough detail to help the agent understand what's happening. When everything is filled out, click Start Chat or connect to an agent. Once the chat begins, explain your issue clearly and directly. If the support representative asks for error messages or screenshots, provide them if possible, since that can speed up troubleshooting. It's also a good idea to mention any steps you've already tried so you don't repeat the same solutions. As the agent guides you through troubleshooting, follow their instructions carefully and let them know the results of each step. After the chat is complete, make sure to note the case number you're given. This is important if you need to follow up later. If there's an option to save the chat transcript, do that as well, since it gives you a record of the conversation and any troubleshooting steps that were recommended. Finally, keep an eye on your email for any follow-up updates from Salesforce support.